Hey guys, so my client brought a very old wig for us to install today, so let's reinstall it together. So after wiping her forehead to make sure she doesn't have any oil, I'm going to go ahead and use my edge wax to put all of that baby hair behind, just so that we have enough space, okay, and we don't have any hair when applying our glue. After that, I'll use alcohol to make sure that part where we're going to be applying the glue is really clean and free from any oil. Then I'll go ahead to put the wig on her hair, just to make sure wherever I'm going to apply the glue, that is where the wig fits, okay. So it's like she left this glue on her lace for a very long time, so cleaning it was very difficult. It's like they installed the hair so many times without washing off the frontal. So I tried cleaning it, and funny thing is she came really late, like she didn't bring this wig after, so I had to clean it on the spot, okay, no washing whatsoever. So I used only my wipes and then coconut oil to clean this frontal, but still I'll say we tried. So I'm going ahead to put my ghost bond glue onto the part where I'm going to be gluing the wig. So I'm spreading that all over her forehead, just to make sure the wig really holds tight, okay. Then I'm going to be applying 2 layers, guys. I apply the first layer, and when it is transparent, I apply the second layer, as you guys see me doing. I'm using my comb to spread that out. Then I'll go ahead to use my hair dryer just to make sure everything is really transparent. Now that my glue is tacky and transparent, I'm going to go ahead and press that frontal onto her hair using my comb, okay. This is going to make the frontal or the grip to be really hard. Use your comb and make sure you're pressing really well. Press and go behind, because most people always just press only in front, and then the frontal starts lifting from behind. For the parts that didn't get tacky or were too dry, I'm going to be using the edge of my rat tail comb to apply glue there, and I'm just going to wait till I get transparent and tacky, then I'm going to glue it. So now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and use my elastic band to melt this lace. So after some time, I went ahead to remove this elastic band. I'm sure you guys can see the black stuff on the frontal. That is how dirty this frontal was, guys, but there was nothing we could do. She was in haste and I couldn't clean it any further. So she requested for a side part and a bun, then with a little bit of hair falling from her face, which is going to be curled. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So since this wig was not a 360 wig, we're going to be doing a half up, half down. I guess that is how they call it. So the bun is just going to be with the frontal, okay? Then I'm just trying to create my bun now. Then after creating, I'm going to smooth everything out using my hot comb and my wax. So I went ahead to curl the front part of this hairstyle, and I used my pins to secure the curls. Then I'm using a very small padding, okay guys, this was just very little mesh, and then I used a brown wig cap. So I'm going to put that inside of that bun just to make the bun look bigger, because I was scared the bun was really going to look small. So yeah. Now that all of that looks good, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and take small piece of hair or a small chunk of hair, and I'm going to use my curling one to curl, and then I'll pin, okay, creating the flowery like bone around my padding to make my bone look big. So you guys just watch. So the hair I took for the bun was insufficient to cover up my padding, because that brown part was still showing, okay, the brown net. So I had to add more hair from behind. Thank God we had more hair, guys. So I added more hair from behind, okay, to make the bun look even bigger and to make sure my padding is covered. After that, I'm going to use my whole spray to make sure all of that looks very, very smooth. Then I'm going to take down the hair and remove my elastic band. Okay, I'm sure she was dying right now. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off my edges using my scissors. Thereafter, I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges using my edge wax. So I went into a powder of her shade to most especially cover the glue that was on that lace. That's the dark thing you were seeing on that lace. That's what I'm doing right now. And voila, guys. This is the hairstyle. This is the look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.